What's up, everybody? My name is Starfire. So, have you ever wondered about how to play the song Elegy of Emptiness from the video game called Majora's Mask from The Legend of Zelda on the Ocarina Itself? Well, in this video, I'm going to give you a tutorial on Elegy of Emptiness by teaching the notes and fingerings on my ocarina. And then I will demonstrate on what it would sound like all together. But before I show you, before I teach you the notes and fingerings, I'm going to show you my fingering chart to use as a visual example for this video. So, hope that this is right so that you guys can see it. But, so the way that you play Elegy of Emptiness, or Elegy, I don't know what the pronunciation is for it, but you do this fingering, which is A, and then you switch to this, then you go back down, and then you do this note, which is F, and then you jump back up to A, this fingering note A, and then you have to jump up to high D, which is this, and then you go back down to this note, which is called B. I tied this way too tight. I'll just take this off. This is what it would sound like all together. Dang it. And that's how you play the song Elegy of Emptiness from the video game called Majora's Mask from The Legend of Zelda. So if you liked this video, please subscribe to my channel and give a like to this video if you liked it. And then leave a comment down below about what song you would like me to do a tutorial on next. Bye!